who's ready for fall? I know I am. And apparently so is Walmart, because they started dropping all of their fall fashion, and I went a little crazy, picked up all the hot new releases. Everything arrived in this huge box besides what I am wearing. So I thought it would be fun to try them on with you, have a little girl time. I will have all these items linked down in the video's description. I'll also have them in a pinned comment. And I do say a prayer at the end of my videos. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stay to the end. And let's just jump right into it. I thought this dress looked so cute online, and it is absolutely adorable in person. I love that it has the higher necklines, very modest and elegant. And even with me having an inverted triangle body type, I don't feel like it makes my shoulders too big, even though they are the broadest point of my body. I do also have a very broad rib cage, no hips. I don't think that it looks too bad because it has that flare at the bottom. It does have a little keyhole design in the back, but I did not need to undo that to get it over my head. And what I love most about this dress is it is going to be the perfect transitional piece. You can wear it now with some slides or some cute little heels. As it starts to cool up a little, or cool down, as it starts to cool down a little bit, you can throw in some booties. You could throw on some knee-high boots with this. And then as it turns into winter, you can just throw in some tights and some boots, and you can wear this year-round. So cute. I love it. Now, let's get into this box. All right, so here is look number 2, and I do have some thoughts. So let's go over the top first. I do really like this top. However, I got it in a size small. I did not realize it was going to be as fitted as it is. And because I have such a broad rib cage, it's a little snug on me. It's so cute. It has this kind of like turtleneck, mock neck thing going on. I like that there's a little bit more arm coverage. And this one comes in a bunch of different color options. I just thought that this one looked really retro and fun. Now, let's move on to these jeans, because these jeans are going to sell out so fast. These are an absolute keeper for me. They're by the brand No Boundaries, which it looks like No Boundaries has done a little rebranding. Their tags look different. Even their logo's a little different. And they added a size extra small. So I'm trying to figure out what that means for us. There is a sizing guide on their website, which put me into my regular size small. So I don't think that you need to size up now like you did before to get your true size. I did get these in my true size small, and they are loose on me, but I think that's the design on them. First of all, it is so comfortable because they did put on a elastic band in the back. Love the wash on these. It's so pretty. Now, as far as the length goes, they are pretty long. I am 5'8", and they definitely touch the ground, but with my sneakers, they don't drag on the ground. So perfectly fine for me. You could also wear some heels with these if you wanted to dress them up, but these are so good, and they are under $15. So if you're interested in these, I would definitely snatch them up quickly because these are going to sell out. Okay, don't pay attention to my boxes because I am in the middle of moving. But I want to show you these shoes because these are my third pair of shoes from this line. I have the white ones, I have the all gray tan ones, and now I have added the black ones to my collection. Let me go ahead and take them off for you. These are a definite look for less for the Adidas Sambas. These look so nice. They're going to go with everything, and I love these shoes because I wear them to work. Don't get me wrong, I love a good white sneaker, but I am not the best with keeping them white, so I'm really excited to have this one in my collection as well. Oh yeah, and these are under $20 as well. They have so many different color options and they keep adding more all the time. This is a bestseller for good reason. Right, let's try on something else. I also picked up this mock neck shirt by Scoop. There were a lot of different mock neck shirts dropped at Walmart, so I wanted to try them out for you. This one even has longer sleeves if that's what you're looking for. Now, I am wearing a nude bra, which I think it looks pretty good, but you can see that it is, you know, a little bit see-through. So maybe not the white, or if you don't really care about that, then rock and roll. But I did size up to a medium with this one, so it definitely fits a lot better the way that I like it. But it's just like going to be a good basic. It's only $16 and comes in a lot of color options. And it's very, very soft. Scoop has already started dropping their scuba stuff this year, and I don't mean like scuba diving. Their scuba material is so soft. These things always sell out so fast. This one kind of has that like rounded bottom. It's not my favorite style of cardigan, but I do know they are very trendy, so it totally makes sense that they would come out with one too. It is so soft. I love the tone of this brown. It's a really good length to wear with leggings. And I know this is going to sell out so quick. I did get this in my true size small, so it fits naturally a little bit more oversized. And I feel like this is going to be so good for like that transitioning period where it's getting a little bit cold because it's not super heavy. It almost feels like cooling to the touch. And it feels really good because it's getting kind of warm in here. We got Sofia Vergara in the house. She dropped these new slacks. They're wide leg, very, very flattering. Love the brown tone for fall. They have a zipper button with two little clasps right here, and also has that extra button that keeps it nice and smooth. Now this one does have the elastic back as well, but nice big pockets in the back. The front pockets are kind of shallow, but I love that they have the cute little pleat detail right here. Now I did get these in my true size small, and I don't know, I might be able to size down on these. They look like they kind of run a little big, but I also think they are, you know, made to be a little more oversized. So I guess it's just all up to preference. I thought it looked really good with this mock neck top, and these are $26.50. Here is another scuba item from the brand Scoop. I wish you could feel how soft and buttery and lightweight and comfortable this little sweatshirt is. It does have a little like high-low situation going on. There is a pair of pants that you can match with it that's sold separately, which I think would be really cute. But I just picked up the sweatshirt. I think this would be really cute now to wear with some cutoff shorts. And because it's so lightweight, it's going to be a perfect transitional piece for fall time. Comes in a bunch of different color options, has the little drop shoulder. And I'm so glad that I got my hands on this because, like I said, these scuba things are there one minute and gone the next. Here's another sweatshirt that I'm glad I got my hands on because I know this one is also going to sell out really fast. It's by No Boundaries. It's under $15. Does come in a couple different like colors and graphics. This one is the Los Angeles one. I love the green on this. I've really become a fan of green here the past 6 months or so. And this top would go perfect with the green tennis shoes like this. So I don't know, I may have to pick them up too because I love those shoes. But I am not wearing anything underneath it, and I do have a nude bra on, and I don't really think that you can see it. It is a lighter weight sweatshirt with a little collar right here, and the inside is lightly fleeced. And I did size up to a medium with this one because I wanted it to be a little more oversized. This would also be a good one to like do a little bra tuck with. And again, it's under $15, but it's also hot right now, so I'm taking it off. So next is this top by Scoop. I think it's so pretty. Another little basic that you could wear to the office or to church, or, you know, to like somewhere where you want to look a little bit more elevated. It does have an elastic little neckline right here, so it's not going to be choking you. Cute little balloon shoulders, yeah, shoulder sleeves, and that does have elastic, but it's not really tight. It's kind of on like the thicker side, so it's really, really comfortable. The bottom has a little slit right here, so I don't think that these pants are it when it comes to this top. Maybe if you like tucked it in, I don't know, but this would look really cute with some, I don't know how I would style this top. I would think you'd have to have on like some tighter pants. Dare I say skinny jeans. But this would be really cute right now with some cutoff jeans for sure. But I just thought it looked really cute, and the material is nice and lightweight, very, very comfortable. It does have a little eyelet right here, but you don't need to use it to get in and out of it. And I thought this was really, really cute. I got it in my true size small, so it is oversized on its own, and I thought it was really cute. What do you think about this one? All right, now I have 2 more dresses for you. Cannot wait to show them to you because they're really, really cute. Okay, y'all, look how darling this little dress is, minus my socks. It is by the brand No Boundaries. It is so pretty. I'll come up so you can actually see it. The lighting is atrocious right now, and so is my hair for that matter. Let's have a little moment to get myself together, shall we? Okay, these straps are adjustable. I'd probably do a strapless bra with this one. The buttons here are just faux buttons, so you don't have to worry about there being gapping right there where you can see stuff. I love this, whatever this is called, this little silhouette that it's giving is so pretty. It is a lightweight, kind of like a linen material. The buttons do go all the way down to right here, so that gives you just a cute little slit right here. I don't think it's too high up, and I love the little ruffle at the bottom. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. The back has that smocking, so it's gonna fit you really nice. Even with my broad rib cage, I think it looks perfect. I did get it in a size small. So pretty. I love this dress so much. And this color is perfect for fall. You could put like a little jean jacket over it. You could even throw on some like high boots in the winter time. She's cute, y'all. I do have one more dress for you. So let me go put it on real quick. So here is the last dress. And I do think, does it have pockets? Do we have pockets? Yes, we have pockets. I do really like this dress, but there are a few things that I want to mention just trying it on for the first time. The sleeves are a little tight. So if you have bigger arms than me, this might be a pass for you just because they're really snug. This is not elastic, but it's not really tight on your neck, so I think it would be fine even if you don't like things tight around your neck. But it's not elastic, and this is pretty tight. I do have a very broad rib cage, and it's a little snug. Let me see. Maybe I just have it too tight. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should have sized up in this one. It is called a mini dress, so it is supposed to be short, and she is a little short on me, but not too short. And again, I am 5'8", but I love the poofy skirt. I think it's so pretty. It gives me that hourglass shape that I've always dreamed of. It does have that peplum, not peplum, it has that keyhole in the back, and I love this tone of green. Another one that you could wear with heels right now, and then as it gets colder, you could do booties and knee highs and even tights with this one. So another good transitional piece. And this one is only $32. So that is a really good deal, I think, for this dress. So that concludes this week's Walmart haul. You'll have to tell me, what do you think? Which one is your favorite? Let's see. I really like the dress that I put on before this one by No Boundaries. That one might be my favorite of the haul. But I'm curious to see which one was your favorite. Again, I'll have all these items linked down in the video's description. And if you found any value from this video, please give it a big like. It helps out my channel so much, and I greatly appreciate your support. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would join this little YouTube family. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. It's completely free, and then YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. We're at the point in my video where I do say a prayer. If you're not interested in that, that's totally fine. But before you go, I just want to let you know that I will have some other videos down in the video's description, and I hope to hang out with you real soon in my next video. If you are staying for the prayer, I just want to let you know real quick that you are more than welcome to send me any prayer requests that you may have. My Instagram and my email address are always down in the video's description, and I'll be more than happy to pray for you in the privacy of my own home. I would never pray for you on my channel. But right now I'm just going to say a prayer for all of us. So if you'd like to pray with me. God, thank you so much for all that you do for us. Even when we can't see you working, you are always there, always faithful to us, despite of how we act and how we act towards you. You are always so ready and able to forgive us. So I hope, God, that as we go about our week, that we're able to forgive others the way that you forgive us, that we can show the love of Christ in all that we do. I pray that we can be a walking, talking testimony of your faithfulness, of just how powerful you are, God. I lift up my viewer to you right now, Lord. You know what's going on in their lives. You know their needs. And I just pray that your will be done in their lives. There's nothing too big for you. There is nothing impossible when we have you on our side. So I just pray that no matter what they may be going through, that you just give them that little gift of faith, that little tiny bit of faith that can move mountains, and reveal yourself to them in a mighty way this week. I thank you, God, for our families. Please keep us safe, our children safe, our nation safe, as we go about our week. And in Jesus' name I pray, amen. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you made it this far, let's do a fall leaf down in the comment section so I know that you stayed for the prayer, and I hope to hang out with you real soon in my next video. Bye!